Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. In today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking out this stack right here, and we're going to be replacing it with a axle dump today. I don't have the tip for the axle dump in yet, but we're going to work with that. So we're going to take out this it's a stock exhaust. There's like no it's just like a straight pipe from the turbo back to this exhaust, but it's like a 3-inch. And then it comes out to the big ass stack. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take all that out, and I'm running a turbo back all the way to the back of the bed. I'm kind of tired of the stack now. It's too loud. Maybe I'm getting old, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take it out, get everything set up here. I definitely have to pull everything out of the house, get everything laid out, and get everything ready. It's been storming here the last couple of days since you know, the Sally storm came through and just literally turned everything into like a big lake. Okay, so what I'm thinking first is I'll go ahead and do like my last startup with this stack in place. Okay, so I'm sure during that audio clip you kind of heard like that rattling and stuff like that. I'm not really sure what the fuck is rattling inside there. I literally looked over everything like 6 times and I couldn't ever figure it out what was rattling. I think it was just like the bed itself was rattling. Oh, bro, is that a new stack? New bed stack? Let me go ahead and see a little bit more of it. Okay. Oh, okay. We can run that. We go get flex pipe right now. All right, so we pulled this piece out. This is all that was left on the truck when actually I bought the truck. It was just like dumped under the cab. So I had to take that little bitty piece off right there and put it back on the turbo. And the rest of that is just scrap. And I might have to pull this boot off, I don't know. Because they sent one hanger to me. This is the only one I have, so I'll put that at the back. What you doing with that? Don't lose that. We need that piece. We had a good bit of room back there. Oh my god. So we ended up taking this clamp off right here and just pulling it out instead of, so I was trying to do the super complicated way by going up under the truck and trying to take out those 2 flange bolts, pulling it off that way off the turbo. But then young Sam showed up and just said, hey, take that band clamp off the top and just pull it out, and then you break it apart once it's out from under the truck, which is super great idea. Because I had a 1.5 foot of extensions just like linked together, and I was just trying to get it as best as I could. Move out the way. Shut up.
Yeah, so it wouldn't be damn droopy. That's why that bit rattle, boy.
Yeah, just like that. You always want a good bit of lubrication. I need some pipe, bro. I'll get you some pipe. Bro, I'm kind of nervous. Young Sam said we should crank it up without the pipe on, so let's see. It's not as loud as I thought it'd be. Alright, so we got everything fitted up from the turbo back. Everything's still super loose though. I'm trying to figure out how we're going to mount it because I don't have the brackets, because I guess whoever took it out before cut most of the brackets out or off the frame, so we're trying to figure out where they mount up. The only one that really matters right now to us though is the one for back around on the other side of the axle, right here at the axle, so it just doesn't fucking swing in the wind. Everything else will be alright, because I think we had the mounting points for that over there. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video here. That was the installation. I think it took us right at 2 hours, 2.5 hours depending. Most of the time it's spent looking for tools or trying to figure out how we want to hang this shit up. Okay, so it did come with instructions. We had to cut a piece out of the middle. At some point I think we had to cut off about 1.5 feet of pipe right fucking there, so it would, you know, wrap around the axle and stuff like that properly. So at least they give you a little bit of extra pipe. Now we gotta decide what type of tip size I want. I'm not really sure yet or how I'm gonna do that. So for the Diamond Eye kit, it cost me right at $300 for everything, including shipping. So shipping was free if you spent over $100, but then you had to pay like a $20 oversized shipping fee. So was shipping really free? Don't know. So I guess I'll give an update like later on, like how I feel about the exhaust. So far so good. I haven't did a test drive yet, but it's a lot fucking quieter than I thought it would be, and I guess it's gonna be a lot nicer driving it now. So since I won't have the damn stack drone just in the cab like all the fucking time. Look, my bed looks so much bigger now. Damn, what the fuck? My bed looks so much bigger now that I have that extra room now, because it is an 8-foot bed, but the stack took up so much room. So now it's time to sell or trade that stack off, because I don't want no more. Yeah. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. If you have any questions or comments, hate, love, anything, leave it down below. Big shout out to Young Sam. It's actually his real name by the government, Young Sam. That's Y-U-N-G-S-A-M. I couldn't have got this together without his help and his guidance, because I was trying to do everything like way more complicated than it should have been. Yeah. Hope you guys are having a great day. Goodbye.
Going out the back. It's gonna be like, what a nigga can't shoot. Right. That's all you want to see some smoke.